Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing devices and accounts. Make sure your Android TV has latest updates, enough free space, and stable Wi-Fi. Next, sign into your Apple ID on a phone or tablet if the TV app requires verification, because Apple often asks for two-factor codes. Once done, enable network visibility and note your SSID. This reduces setup friction and speeds the app install or casting steps, so you can move directly to installing Apple TV or using AirPlay alternatives without pausing. You install and configure Apple TV by opening Google Play on your Android TV and searching for Apple TV. If unavailable, use a sideload method or Chromecast-compatible casting app. After installing, open the app and sign in with your Apple ID. Enter any two-factor code shown on another device, because that confirms your identity. Make sure to grant microphone or network permissions if prompted. Then set playback quality, subtitle language, and download options so streaming behavior matches your bandwidth and viewing preferences. You finish by casting or testing playback. Use built-in Apple TV app playback or press cast on a mobile Apple TV app to send video to your Android TV if supported. Start with a short clip to test audio sync, subtitles, and remote responsiveness, and then adjust audio output or display settings if needed. If streaming fails, reboot the TV and router, verify both devices remain on the same network, and reauthorize your Apple ID. This single troubleshooting step, reboot and reauthorize, resolves most connection or authentication problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.